Some animals can hear things we can't even imagine. Tiny footsteps, faraway sounds, even underground. Get ready, because we're about to discover 10 amazing animals with super hearing. Number 10 is the elephant. Elephants can hear sounds from miles away, even through the ground. When other elephants stomp, their giant feet pick up those rumbles, like a secret message just for them. Number 9. Say hello to the owl. Owls can hear tiny animals moving in the dark, even if they can't see them. Their ears are so clever, they can find a mouse just by listening. Whoosh! Number 8. Bats. Bats use sound to see in the dark. They send out tiny squeaks and listen for echoes bouncing back. It's like having a super-powered sonar. Number 7. Cats. Cats can hear high-pitched sounds we can't even notice. Their ears twitch toward every little squeak, so they always know when something's nearby. Number 6 is the playful fox. Foxes can hear animals moving under thick snow. When they hear a sound, they leap and dive, plop, to catch their snack. For number 5, splash into the sea with dolphins. Dolphins use clicks and whistles to talk to each other and find out what's around them. Sound travels fast underwater, and dolphins are amazing listeners. Number 4, dogs. Dogs can hear sounds from much farther away than humans can. That's why your dog might bark before you even hear someone at the door. Number 3, what's that hopping? It's the rabbit. Rabbits can turn their big ears in every direction. They're always listening out for any noises, just in case. Number 2 is the kangaroo rat. This tiny animal lives in the desert and listens for sneaky predators in the night. Even the quietest sounds make its big ears wiggle. And number 1, the greater wax moth. This tiny insect has some of the best hearing in the animal world. It can hear super high sounds, even higher than bats. Wow, animals really do have incredible super hearing. Which one was your favorite? Thanks for watching Brightbloom. Subscribe for more magical facts.